Hi Jillian, just to answer your question here on what is the best format to use the time in the spreadsheet. So you say that you're not from the US. So in the US, the time format is the 12-hour format with AM and PM. So the way that you can do in Google Sheets, you can enter, let's say 9 a.m. You can even just enter like 9, and then you go to format, number, and then custom date and time. And then here you can select how you want the format. Here it gives you a few examples already. So for example, the most popular for the US would be this one, which would be 1:25 p.m. Now there are other formats if you are using the spreadsheet. It will depend on your audience, but if you are using the spreadsheet like worldwide, then I think most of the countries use the 24-hour format, which would be 1 o'clock would be 13. So it's really up to you, and you can either just do like hour and minute, you can do hour, minute, and seconds, whatever it is. For the hour, like clockwise, I wouldn't use the seconds, it's pointless. So if your audience is mainly based in the US, I would use this one right here. So you just click here, and then you will see that it will add over here. And for the hour, you can choose the format that you want. Do you want it to have leading with 0 or without leading 0? So that means that this will be 0 in this case right here. This will be 0900, or in this case, it's going to be 9. Same thing for the minutes. You can choose. For the minutes, I would always add the 0 because that will be weird if it's not in there. That's not how we use. And then here, AM, PM. You can do just, A for AM, B for PM, but again, most used format in the US is the PM right here. So you can just click apply, and now you have this. If you drag this down, you will have, all the times in here. So this here in the morning, then 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. And then even if you type here, if you type 3, just 3, it will automatically assume that is AM. So if you want PM, you can either do 3 PM. Now it will change to PM, or you can do 15. That will also change to 3 PM because of the format that you chose. I hope that helps.